Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar. We have Elaine. I believe that is the first time on Goran Guitar. I'm not sure. Heard it before, I believe so, but never covered here on GG. So let's do that for the first time. Going Nowhere Slowly, that's the song, the title of it. So let's go into this one. We're going to start with the K-paw on the 2nd fret. That's the setup, and we have 6 chords to handle here. So we have first the A minor 7. Goes open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have the C major 7 next, and that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. We have E minor, and that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. Then we have the D, and we're going to use this C shape to handle that chord, and it goes 5th on A, 4th on D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. Then we have the F major 7. You can have different grips for it. I played this shorter version of it in the introduction of this tutorial, and it goes 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. But you can also do it as a bar chord, and it goes like this. So you place the index finger on the 1st fret, and you cover all strings there. And then you need to add 3rd on A, 2nd on D, and 2nd on G. That's another variation of the same chord, F major 7. And then we have the final E chord. So it's very similar to the E minor. The only difference here is you add on the 1st fret G string. Everything else is the same, and that gives you the E. So there we have all the chords. Now let's go into this style of playing here. We have 2 different ways of playing it. We can have it with picking, and I'm going to show you how to do that first, and then go into the strumming. So we have chord progression that goes in rounds of 4. Okay, so you have chord progression rounds there: A minor, C, E minor, D for 3 rounds, and then on the 4th round you have A minor, C, F major, and E. Okay, so that is how you're gonna play it. Now you can do it with picking style, and we're gonna do that first. So A minor is played like this. So you pick the 5th fret E string together with 3rd fret A, and you can hit a clap there if you want to. Okay, so just pick those 2 notes, clap. And then comes the C major part. I'm gonna pick these 2 notes, the 3rd fret on A together with 2nd D. These 2 notes together, clap. Then you have the E minor part, and it goes open E together with open G. And here you have different choices to add on extra notes before you switch to the final D chord here. You can play like this. So you just add on an extra note on the G, the open G string. So you pick as you do for E minor, and then you add on an extra open G. Or you can skip that and just add on the 2nd G and 4th D. So it will be like this. So pick the 1st as you're supposed to do every time, and then 2nd G and 4th G. So you have different opportunities here to use notes for this E minor chord. And then you go into the final D, and you're gonna pick 5th fret on A together with 4th D. That is 1 round, and that is how we play the first 3 rounds. Okay, and then we are into the 4th and final round, because remember, we play as clusters of 4 rounds, and then you just repeat every time 4 rounds in the same way through the entire song. So the 4th round starts with the first 2 chords in the same way. So it's the A minor and C. Okay, and then you have the F and E left there. You're gonna play F. So it's the first fret E string together with open D. So then you play second D, back to open D, third A, and open A. That's the F part, and then you play the E, just open E string together with open D, and a big pause. So that is the fourth round. And that is how you handle the picking pattern style. If you think that is a little too picky, it's like maybe hard to get the exact same or correct notes every time, you can just go with one down and clap and just follow the same chord progression. So that means 3 rounds of A minor, C, E minor, D, and then the fourth round A minor, C, F major, and E. So like this. For 3 rounds, so. Third round. And then fourth round. Okay, and then you just repeat that. That is how you handle the picking style, or just one down style. Okay, now let's go into the strumming world, and we're gonna learn it with the first chord, and that is the part 1 of the strumming. Then you're gonna go over to play the second chord, C major, and play part 2. So this strumming covers 2 chords always. So the first part, A minor, goes down, down, up, clap. So down, down, up, clap. And then you switch chord, in this case to the C major, and play part 2. It's down, a short pause, and then down, up, clap, down, up. So if you connect these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down, up. And then you just take the same principle and apply that on the next 2 chords. E minor, played in the same way as A minor, part 1, down, down, up, clap. And then you have the D played in the same way as the C major, down, down, up, clap, down, up, part 2. And that will make up for 1 round of this chord progression. So A minor, C, E minor, D. And then on the fourth round, because you're going to play this for the first 3 rounds, the fourth round, you just apply the same A minor, part 1, C, part 2, and then the last 2 chords, F major, part 1, in the same way as E minor, and then E, part 2, in the same way as D. So I'm going to take you through this round 3 and round number 4, so you see both differences here when it comes to strumming. So A minor, C, E minor, D, A minor, C, F major, and E. That's what we're going to play now. Let's go. So there you have the strumming. Like I said, it just repeats itself every 4th round, and that is how it goes through the entire song. So good luck with this one, guys. Elaine's going nowhere slowly. So thank you for watching, and until next time, play tuned.